The typewriter arrived on a rainy afternoon, wrapped in faded cloth and tied with brittle string. I set it on my desk, its keys gleaming like teeth. That night, unable to sleep, I fed it a sheet of paper and began to type. The words spilled out. The man in the apartment above stares through the floorboards, waiting for her to turn off the light. I laughed nervously, glancing up. The ceiling groaned. I dismissed it as the building settling. The next morning, my neighbor was gone. His apartment door hung open, belongings untouched. I tried to write something cheerful, but the keys jammed until I typed, "She cannot leave." Her hands bleed as she claws at the locked door. Instantly, my doorknob rattled. The metal seared my palm. Blood dripped onto the typewriter. I pounded the keys, desperate to reverse the words. But the machine only hummed, hungry for more. In the mirror, my reflection grinned, eyes dark and unblinking. It typed for me now, each letter sealing my fate. The final line appeared. No one will ever find her. The room shrank, the keys clacked on their own. I screamed, but the story was already written.